Guys, I just found out that I'm on Google. If you search up Superman Sumner on Google, you would actually see me. And yeah, so let's get into the video. I hope that wasn't copyright just then, but I'm in a video back in some FNAF world. By the end of this video, we will kill Bubba. So I've been playing for a little bit. I got like 2 characters. Got Nightmare, Foxy, and the Marionette, I think so, but I promise. Wait, what? I died. Pretty sure that'll get. So I changed my team. I got some healers. That's one mistake I got wrong. I think that's the only mistake I got wrong. Yeah, the gift boxes are really gonna move. So I'm gonna do some character hunting. Actually, right now, let's just try to fight Bubba one more time. Or some ball boys ruin it. A second-hand man. Second-hand man, aka Nightmare Bonnie, I call him that because all his attacks are 2. So I should use Cupcake. I used him for Rainy Day 2. And then switched, I have Golden Freddy, Rainy Day 2. And Jump Scare, and then he has Jump Scare to block his attacks. And then the Nightmare Freddy, because his move Freddles is super powerful. Ooh, Challenger. Nightmare Chica, let's bring her to the party. Like Rainy Day 2 brings the defense down and attacks them. So is there Sludge 2? Nightmare Foxy, that's the second time you do this in like 3 minutes. We have a new party member. Let's just get up and then, like, right where Brown Boy is. I even tried to get this chest, I couldn't do it. Just before Brown Boy, go into the party. Okay, so I got the Marionette, not doing it. The Marionettes, I find are bad. No. Nightmare Chica, and then Nightmare Foxy. Ooh, Unscrewed 2. He's second-hand man too. Second-hand man. Unscrewed 2, I think I already have one. Well, I've already got Unscrew. Well, I might not switch that out. Chica might switch out for you. Boom. I love ya, unibrow. Ya, unibrow. Ya, unibrow. Da, unibrow. Da, unibrow. Da, unibrow. Da, unibrow. Da, unibrow. Da. What? What did I just do? Region song. Rainy Day 2. I got carried away by his unibrow. Or at least stop. When did Chica die? 12,000. Please level up Nightmare Chica. Ooh, leveled up Chica. Which tent was it? I haven't played this game in such a while. Ooh, green. Then, I think it was this way. Yes, it was this way. And then, I go into the secret gravestone. Yeah, I watched the series like 3 times. I was addicted to this game way before I got it. Just some white rabbits. No! Uh-oh. Let's bring down the brightness a little bit. That's very bright. Hit it with that cupcake. Bash down. Down a bite too. Still hurts my eyes. Let's do a jump scare. And then, oh. Oh, I like that water hose out there's a bubble on the screen. Bubble. Okay, I kinda just got nightmare printed.
Actually, maybe.
Why is this only 5 minutes?
Oh, can you scooch forward, please? Yeah, I can get through
Guys,
that.
something
Thanks, babe.
terrible. That was my mom, but something terrible just happened. So, I was in here, I killed Bubba. You might have not seen that. I got a lot of new characters. Yeah, I was just playing. And
Carter!
this happened. Yeah, so that just weirdly happened, but I did kill Bubba. And now I'm just trying to find my way, like, through the maze again to talk to Fredbear.
Hi!
I got a chip
We have to go to the bank tomorrow.
to get a. Ignore the background stuff.
Oh,
I know a
sorry.
lot's going on. Yeah, my mom just said sorry for talking. And I got 3 gift boxers. A lot happened. But weirdly, some cut out. So sorry for the cut out. I don't know what happened. Ice cream cast. Always happens. Yeah, so you probably don't want to use this recorder. As you can see, it's at the bottom where like party is. I may have looked on YouTube and tried to find how to get out of this place. Because I am stuck here. So much. It's so big. Hi, Chachi. Yes. Yeah, so I have counter bite. It's really cool. So when an enemy attacks, I can just attack them with a bite automatically. It's like I'm countering them with like a bite basically. How do I get through this? Maybe. Let's go back to Bubba's tent. Fredbear! We haven't talked. You found the exit. That's amazing. The giant pig lies on the other side of this subtitle. He guards a key that opens the lock to the final guardians. Each guardian protects a button. Once you have found and pressed the buttons, gates protecting the game's security system will be lowered. Already? We're fighting security? That's when you can strike the heart of whatever is corrupting this world. Navigate your way through the subtitles, but remember, don't go more than 3 glitches down. Good luck. Attacking the game's security system will not accomplish anything. Get the key, but ignore the guardians. If you had succeeded in saving the clocks, then your true goal would be I think the clock ending. I might like get into hard mode so we can do the whole thing in hard mode and then like kill Scott Cawthon and stuff. And then like get the clock ending. And then, yeah, get some endings. Cause like I have to restart the game for the clock ending. A glitched object. Wait, is this where we get the 4th ending? I might just try to get the 4th ending. Or the 4th portal. What was I calling it? The 4th ending. The Fisherman ending. The glitched object. Okay, now we're gonna have to go through this. Oh my gosh, I can't believe my video was just like 14 minutes and then... Okay, this is going up. There has to be a glitch here. Alright, right there. It's tricky. really want to get the fisherman ending or whatever it's called, red lake ending. I like to call it the red lake ending. Now I have to go into the third one. Where's the glitched object? We're going through circles and circles and circles and circles. I'm lost. Right there. Guys, I just found out to the third place in this. Here's a key. Wait, what? Hello? I got to the fourth dimension! What? Just because of my itchy ear, then this happened. I'm sorry to say that you have gone too deep into the code. There's no. Oh wait, this is the code. My name is Old Man Consequences. Come have a seat. Let's fish for a while. We have nothing else to do. The end. Heard they were able to jump in. Is this all I can do? What? I got an ending! Yay! Okay, I'll get back to. Okay, I'm ending the video, so goodbye!